Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I own an independent paper crafting business showcasing Stampin' Up! Products. I share projects weekly on my website, YouTube, and Facebook. I sell the products used in the projects as well as a few additional products to help crafters stay organized. I have free detailed directions for this project on my website. You'll see where to find that at the end of this video. So don't worry about taking notes. Just grab a cup or a glass. It's time to sip together. This is really a quick and easy project. I'm using Butterfly Gala. I'm using really scraps of Night of Navy and Whisper White. My ink is Whisper White, Pumpkin Pie, and Night of Navy. I will be using the coordinating Butterfly Duet punch. I have a 2-inch cellophane bag. This is something Stampin' Up! Sells until the new catalog comes out. This is retiring, but you could use the gusseted cellophane bags as well. I'm using the Night of Navy solid baker's twine and the gingham ribbon. These are also retiring. And I will use the tailored tag punch. I'm going to start off with my greeting, Hello Beautiful. And I'm going to be punching it out, so I want it relatively near the bottom. The craft ink takes a little bit of extra time to dry, so I'm going to set that aside. While that's drying, I'm going to stamp my butterfly in Night of Navy. I'm really only using the large butterfly, but you get the small butterfly as a bonus. I was planning to use Grapefruit Grove. I went to the store to find something to fill my treat bag with, and I ended up with these cheese balls, and so the pumpkin pie looked better with the cheese balls. You can decide what you're going to fill yours with. And I wanted to stamp off, so I'm going to ink up my stamp, and I'm going to stamp on a scrap paper, and then I'll stamp on my butterfly. Same with the bottom wings. And this butterfly doesn't look funny until you go to punch it out, and then it will look funny if you don't include the little body on it. This stamp set also has some antenna, but we're not going to use the antenna. I'm turning my punch over to the back so I can see where I'm punching. And I'm going to punch out Hello Beautiful as well. And this just barely fits at the widest part. I am also using the 1/8 inch handheld punch, which is another thing that's retiring. I'm not sure why Stampin' Up! Is retiring this. I use that all the time. I'm going to want, about 8 inches of cord. This is probably way more than I need. I'm going to do a lark's head knot, which just means that I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to poke the fold through the hole, top to bottom, reach through the loop and grab the ends and pull it. I filled my bag, kind of pushing as much down as I could. I'm going to tie a bow. I'm just going to start my bow. And I love this ribbon because it really ties nicely, but I want the bag to be kind of opened up, so I'm kind of opening it up with my fingers as I tighten it. and it pretty much stays tight for me, which is really a huge help. I'm going to hang my tag here, and I'm going to separate my cords so that I can go around this knot. And I'm just tying an overhand knot, so I'm going to loop it. The one that goes over goes under and up through the hole. And I want this knot to be kind of close. I just want my tag to be fairly loose and hanging. And then I'll finish tying up my bow. Then all I need to do is put my butterfly on. You could use the liquid glue. I'm going to use glue dots. Just tie it on. And that's really it. Here's the web address for this project where you'll find the free detailed directions and links for the products I used. Just click the links and you'll be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up! Click Home near the top of my page and you'll find lots of resources. Under Shop, I have tips for online shopping, frequent shopper rewards, and products I offer to help you stay organized. Share my Evernote notebook for a nominal contribution. It functions as a fully searchable catalog. I offer a cardstock sampler, taggers to help you identify those dies with lots of similar shapes, heavy-duty bags to store 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 paper, and a bow maker. Inspiration takes you to all my projects. If you're new to stamping, you might want to look at the basics. You'll find how to cut card bases and layers, what's special about Stampin' Up! Stamps, and some of my favorite tools. Under Organization, you'll find catalog tabs, labels, and case inserts, a practically free stamp pad storage solution, a basic toolkit, color charts by alphabet, color family, and rainbow order, products by color, and RGB codes, and you can take a tour of my craft wall. More organization means more time for crafting. Come stamp with me here in Ventura County, California, or get the best deal of all and join my team of crafters. The team is called SIP Together, and it stands for Stamps, Ink, and Paper Together. The team is made of crafters who want to save money on the products they buy, share with a few friends, or to grow a business like mine. Be sure to subscribe to my website and on YouTube. I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you for joining me. Talk to you soon. Bye.